I honestly can't tell you the amount of times I hated going out because I find myself being prone to being bitten by insects, namely mosquitoes. But before that,
good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
We're from Scholastic Boutique from Malaysia, and we found a solution to the situation that I have said earlier on. Our solution is we present to you Adios Insect. Adios Insect, we keep you outdoors. Our product is made in collaboration with MTI, or further yet known as Malaysia Genome Institute. Right, moving on. So, a significant problem we have found today is how most insect repellents do not cater to people who have sensitive skin and to those who have allergies. This is because most insect repellents are chemically based, and this enables these people to go outside to enjoy outdoor activities. So, that's why we, as responsible people of the society, have to take action so we don't let this problem go by. Before, ouch! We present to you Adios Insect, an insect repellent. Before that, here are the objectives of our project. First, we want to ascertain that this plant can be used as an insect repellent. Second, we want to reduce the usage of chemicals. Thirdly, we want to develop non-allergic insect repellents because it can harm us internally and externally. So what is our product actually, right? Our product, the name is Adios Insect. It's an insect repellent made from Phlogiston caplin leaves, or otherwise known as patchouli. Our product is made in variety. And what I mean by this is that our product is made in two forms. One water-based and one cream-based, which you can see on the table. So for the water-based, we prepared it in a spray bottle, and we estimated it about 8 ringgit and 40 cents, or in Thailand, about 64 baht. For the cream, it's 40 ringgit, which is about 107 baht. We'll explain the reasons to the price later on in the presentation. First, here are the methods to produce our products. Before that, we prepared Phlogiston caplin extract. Then, for the spray, 3 milliliter of Phlogiston caplin extract was measured using a syringe. Then, it's to be put into a spray bottle and shaken and mixed well. For the cream, distilled water is filled in jar A. However, in jar B, a little jar, emulsified wax, stearic acid, avocado oil, and shea butter are mixed. Then, it's heated using the double boiler method, until it's melted. Then, finally, a hand blender was used to mix all the ingredients. Now, what makes our product special from other insect repellents? Our product is made, as I said before, is made from Phlogiston caplin leaves, or otherwise known as patchouli. Now, patchouli is antifungal and antibacterial, which I will further explain in the presentation. And secondly, patchouli is also known to give a calming sense. This means it relieves pain, stress, and anxiety. So it does not actually just work as an insect repellent, it calms the stress nerves. We experimented on our product using the Army cage method. As you can see, water gives a negative result because there are a lot of mosquitoes on the forearm. However, citronella and patchouli give positive effects. Now, you must be wondering why we compare our product, patchouli, to citronella. For your information, citronella is now used as a natural-based insect repellent nowadays. What I mean by that is most naturally based insect repellents contain citronella. But why we think that patchouli is much more effective is because of the part where I said what makes our product special. This is that further explanation. See, number one, antibacterial and antifungal. This means patchouli prevents the spread of bacteria. So bacteria cannot reproduce and spread, especially bacteria that carry diseases. And secondly, for the calming sense that patchouli gives, patchouli is
widely known in the perfumery industry, as well as citronella, but not as much as patchouli. Other than that, patchouli not only relieves stress, pain, and anxiety, but also depression, if you must know.
Moving on. Obviously, we want to realize our product and put it on the market. So here's the commercialization. For your information, to produce 20 bottles of Bonasama Kaolin cream, it costs us about 264 ringgit. However, mind you, we don't gain a lot of profit because as we said, we want to sell it for only 40 ringgit. So we gain profit about 80 cents. That's because our main purpose of this product is to help the people and help the environment, not to gain profit. Thus, not only does our product have reasonable price,
it's eco-friendly and user-friendly.
it's also portable. But sure, it may seem like a little product with no impact to the world. However, it can affect a lot of people. For individuals, we'll create paths for people who have sensitive skin, allergies. This is our conclusion. And for countries,
Malaysia is one of the highest countries with the highest is one of the countries with the highest rate of obesity. This is because our society tends to use the excuse of our natural hot weather and the abundance of mosquitoes in our environment to not go out and do exercises and to keep their body fit and healthy. So with the inside repellent, you literally have no excuse to stay indoors.
in conclusion, it can give a lot of benefits to people if we let it. That's why we produce this product with the slogan,
We keep you outdoors. Thank you.